Hello friends, now let us start. Our goal is to estimate ordinate of a outflow hydrograph. Now for certain time step delta t. Now if you observe our equation 2s2 by dt, just observe the bottom of this table. 2s2 by dt plus O2 equals to I1 plus I2. So here in this table I1 plus I2 second and third column minus 2O1. So here fourth column, after that plus 2S1 by dt plus O1. Now here fifth column. Now the procedure for the solution, here suppose step number 1. Now here time step, for the time step 0 to 6 hour. Okay, so from 0 to 6 hour, corresponding value of inflow, here it's 60 and 170. 60 170. Now here in this equation you can assume value of a first outflow. Now value of a first flow outflow, so it may be equals to 0, half of a inflow first inflow value, or average of a first inflow value. So for time being, now let us continue with the assume value 150. Now here from this curve, here outflow 150, and so the corresponding value of 2s by dt means 2s1 by dt plus O1 from this curve. Okay, so here with the help of a curve, if this graph is ready with you, with the help of this curve you can easily estimate the value. Now here if graph not available, in that case you can use the interpolation function. Now here our table outflow, so our table here outflow, my outflow value here is a 150 in between 110 and 250. So 110 250, so for 110 2430, for 250 3170. So here this is my dx value and dy value for the interpolation function. Now for known value, okay, for here known or assumed value 150, the value of 2s1 by dt plus O1 equals to 2641. Okay, so now let us enter the data. Here 0 to 6, 60 170 corresponding inflow value, then 150 first outflow, my value of 2s1 by dt plus O1 from graph 2641. Okay, you can either estimate here from the graph or by interpolation function. Now here 2s2 by dt plus O2. Okay, so here first one I1 plus I2 minus 2O1 plus 2s1 by dt plus O1. So here it's a 25 2.71. Once again, now you are aware value of 2s2 by dt plus O2. So you can estimate the corresponding value. You can estimate, now you are aware about S2s dt by 2s by dt plus O2. Okay. Now here from this graph you can calculate the corresponding O2 value. Okay. Either you can calculate it from graph. Now here my value of 2s by dt plus O2. Here it's a 2571. Now that 2571 in between 2430 and 3170. So for 2430 inflow outflow here 1110, for 3170 it's a 250, corresponding dx and dy value for the interpolation function, and here I am interested in a value 2571. Okay, now for this value 2.71, the value 2571 here it's a 2s2 by dt plus O2. So corresponding O2 value, once again please remember this value here it's a 2s by dt plus O2, and here it's our O2 value. So our O2 value for the first, here it's a 137. Now let us shift here this value in a second column. Now here value of first now here first value of outflow hydrograph assumed by you, and second value is estimated by you. Now let us stop here. You are requested to continue this step. Okay. Now for the second step, what is our second step? Value of a O1. So value of a O2 in a previous step become O1 in a current step. So here for the current step O1 here equals to 137. Now this 137 in between 60 and 70, in between 60 and 70. So here by using so we can continue with the same value. Okay, here 137, 110, 250, 110, 250. Therefore now here let us continue 137. For 137 corresponding value of 2s1 by dt, 2s1 by dt plus O1 from graph equals to 2572. So corresponding value 2572.71. Here you can calculate the corresponding value. Okay, value of a storage outflow function. Now my storage outflow function here it's a 2s2 by dt plus O2 2928.73. 1. Now this 29, so you can estimate. Okay, so this value 2928 in between these two. Okay, 2430 and 3170. Therefore from this interpolation function you will get the corresponding O2 value from the curve here 204. Once again I am repeating, if storage outflow function curve versus outflow, this curve is ready with you, from that curve for the corresponding 2928.71 you can easily estimate the value of a O2. Okay, so let us stop here. Please continue this procedure. Now the for second step, for the now next time step, O2 in a previous step, so O2 here 204. Okay, in a previous step become O1 in current time step. Okay, and now please continue the procedure.